whatever you want. Like, kasi lahat naman tayo, we have a phone. Lahat tayo, we can post. Kasi, too much na eh. Sad no? Face shaming, body shaming. You guys know that's bad. Pinopost niyo pa. Like, for you to have that idea already, it's already bad. Pinopost niyo pa. Are you proud to have that mindset? Thanks guys. Sorry, I just had to like say it. It's been bothering me. Like, one time I woke up and I read stuff. Just avoid doing impulsive things. I downloaded it back kasi, you know, despite it being like, let's be honest, it's toxic. There are funny posts, like, and it's very interactive there, so it's nice. I just delete it when it's too much. I don't have an IG channel. That's sad. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my social medias, but